Hello there. Storm Betty is bearing down upon us through the rest of the night and the start of the weekend. Second named storm this month and giving a lot of wet weather and windy weather, particularly for the western side of the UK. So heavy rain, potentially some really nasty thunderstorms across central and eastern areas being warned of, could give some light disruption, as well as the unusually windy weather, which could bring down the odd small tree. Not great news for those under canvas either. Those winds are more akin to autumn. So there are warnings out. Quite widespread warnings, more details on the website, but those gusts of wind could reach 40 or 50 miles an hour inland as well. As I say, there's a potential for some really torrential thunderstorms, impactful weather. Because it's so muggy and warm, that's also giving energy to these storms. Now, getting towards morning, that rain is slow moving across Scotland and Northern Ireland. It only slowly creeps its way northwards. The wind's starting to abate a little, but pushing showers ever eastwards. And look, for Northern Ireland, parts of Scotland, it's just shower after shower. In fact, longer spells of rain for some. Before the event moves out the way, that Storm Betty, we could have a month's worth of rain in some areas. But given some sunshine through the day, particularly for the likes of eastern Scotland, northeast England, with an offshore wind, it might feel warmer than it did on Friday. And then as we go through the evening and overnight, the showers ease off further, the winds gradually decreasing, so we could have some mist and fog in southern areas in particular by Sunday morning, and it will feel a little less oppressive. We're losing that humidity, so a little bit more comfortable for sleeping Saturday night rather than the remainder of this night. Sunday sees fewer showers. We will keep them in northern and western areas. There'll still be one or two getting into eastern areas, but there should be fewer showers on Sunday for many parts. So perhaps the drier half of the weekend still feeling quite warm. It is August after all. And with high pressure close to the south as we move into next week, we should see some more warmth here, but the lower pressure further north will maintain the risks of showers, or on Monday, as you can see, some longer spells of rain coming in. Well, it is an area of the UK where we haven't seen as much rain, but nevertheless, east of the Grampians, best of the drier, brighter weather, 25, 26 further south. So some warmth and some dry weather as we move into next week, but just for the remainder of the night, Storm Betty's still with us. There are numerous warnings, more details on the website.